quick little video. See what we work with. Measuring tape. It says it's 33. I know it's 33 because that's what I ordered, but I like how they package this. Then had that up there. Super well packaged. Dang. Get my box Chevy running good. First thing you do is check, make sure the fins look good. Make sure you don't see no obvious cracks. It looks good, guys. I'm not going front, bro. This radiator looks more than good. So I got the 33-inch because I figured I want a big radiator. Make sure it's cooling my 6.0, my supercharger, or my turbos. I'm gonna go get that AC condenser today. So once I tear this out, I was thinking about painting this candy, whatever offset color I'm going for the box Chevy, but I said, you know what, I'm gonna make it simple. My engine bay is gonna be black because I wanted my engine red and black anyway, mostly black. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Snatch that out, clean this up today, over till tomorrow. Still got some stuff to take off, but oh yeah, we good.